anyone who wants to start their own business as an entrepreneur in the hair business, I would recommend Wealthy Hair because they do the legwork for you. Wealthy Hair will package it, label it, insert your business cards, whatever you want to add to it. If you have another business and you want to promote it on this website, you can do that. And they'll continue to do the packaging and shipping for you. It's a great opportunity. All you have to do is promote your business, your hair, and any questions or concern you still might have. They are willing to assist you. What company did you know that will do that for you? So would I recommend Wealthy Hair? Yes, I would. So Miss Julia and Wealthy Hair, I thank you for this opportunity. Thanks for having me in the family, and hope to meet you soon. Thank you.